Hey everybody, just wanted to tell you about our upcoming Body Mastery Challenge. This program is an amazing 12-week course that we put together, and it just blew up. People got amazing results from it in increased range of motion, increased functional strength through that full range of motion. So therefore then they massively decrease their aches and pains. Nutrition, so that they lose body fat, gain lean muscle mass with nutrition seminars, life coaching, breath work, so you increase the function of your lung capacity, your diaphragm, and overall well-being. This is an incredible, well-rounded 12-week course that will change your life. We got it on sale until Monday, June 21st. Take advantage of it. There's over $300 savings if you sign up now. So hope to see you in this 12-week course. We're going to be giving you live feedback through the comment section every single day of the course to keep you on point so that you get the best results. Look forward to seeing you soon.